Hi, this is CA AKS Krishnan. In this video, we are going to see frequently asked question by CA Foundation students before examination. This entire video will be in English. So this is for benefit of Pan India Foundation students. The first question is, how many answers can I write in one side of exam paper? See, you can write only one answer in one side. For example, if you have question number 1 has A, B and C. If question number 1A you finish answering in 6 lines, still you have lot of space in the same side. You should not write question number 1B in the same side. Go for the next side. Okay. For accounts, can we use both sides? That is no. You have to use only one side even for answering ledger, P&L, trial balance, means like no big side. Even for that you have to use only one side and you have to divide the side into two and you have to write. Okay, so you should not use like both sides. Like people used to write this kind of thing in the 12th standard. You should not do like that. In the same page you have to divide and write. So debit and credit should be appear in the same page. Second question, if 1A has two subparts like 1A1 and 1A2, can we write both question in one side? Answer is yes. You can write 1A1 and 1A2. For example, in contract act and all, you will be having like multiple questions, void contract, voidable contract. They will give a situation. You should write either void or voidable kind of. That and all you can write in the same. And in accounts, if they give true or false, like multiple questions in true or false, that and all you can write in the same page. That is not a problem. What ink is allowed in the exam? Only black color. See, 12th standard, till 12th standard you are using blue color, no? From CA onwards you should use only black color, so no blue color. Okay, see, if you still want to write in blue color, you can use blue color for underlining purpose for your sake, but that also I prefer only black color. Black gel, black ballpoint, both are allowed. So people will be like, no, only black point is black ballpoint is allowed. I don't, because I have written only in black gel and many of the students have written in black gel, because some people if they use black ballpoint pen, they used to write with a great force, that impression will come. So avoid it. If you are okay with ball pen, you can go for ball pen, otherwise take gel pen also, no issue. Third question, sir, can we answer additional questions? Like no, first question is compulsory. Thereafter, 5 out of 6 questions, like one choice. You should leave the choice. Okay, you should not write all the questions. If you have written all the questions without choice, they will take only the first 5. So maybe like the 6th question what you have written will be more perfect than the 5th question, but they will not consider the last question. They will consider only the first 5 questions. So you may lose time and mark. So make sure that if you have written all the questions, strike off one question. Okay. Then, is there any order in writing the answer? For example, if you have taken question number 2 first, if you have not written question number 1 first, okay, no issue. Question number 2 you can write, or question number 3 you can write. But complete all the subparts of that question simultaneously. Like 3A, B, C, complete it simultaneously. Okay, sir, I completed 3A and B. C, I don't know. Either you have to leave one page and come back later, or just leave it. Or if you forgot to write 3C, at the last you write 3C and write. The question number put both in the top as well as in the side margin. Both you write. There is no particular way of answering. You can answer in any way, but make sure all the subparts are completed. Then how to attract the examiner? Okay, see, first few answers write neatly, legibly, beautifully. Even though handwriting competition is not okay, I know it is not a handwriting competition, but first few question at least you write legibly. Thereafter, even if you little scribbling, if it's possible, no issue, but first few questions you prove that you are brilliant to the examiner. Okay, answer in point rather than in paragraphs. Okay, don't write more than 4 lines in single para, like no, answer it in the point wise. Then, sir, whether a rough sheet will be provided for mathematics and economics? Yes, for mathematics you will be provided with rough sheets. Even 1 or 2 rough sheets if you ask also they will give additionally, no issue. And you have to return the rough sheets to the examiner, you cannot carry it. Next, before handing over the paper, exam booklet, answer booklet, what you should make sure, first page they will give one column where they will ask you to tick what are the answers you have written. Like it will be like 1 2 3 4 5 and A B C D. Okay, so you should tick 1 A B C. Okay, 2, if you have written all the answers, you just tick it. Okay, make sure that you are ticking it. And roll number in numbers as well as in OMR they will be providing. Small OMR will be there in the roll number thing, that also you should properly share. Negative marking, how to avoid? Please don't use your inky ponky techniques, inky pinky ponky techniques and all. If you are sure about the answer, you write. Otherwise, don't put inky pinky ponky. Question paper reading time, whether they will give? Yes, 15 minutes reading time will be given. You will be entering the exam hall at 1:45 itself. They will give you question paper. 15 minutes reading time will be there. And answer paper will be given only after 2 p.m. Like no 2 p.m. only they will give answer sheets, answer booklets to you. So that 15 minutes you can utilize for reading the question papers. How to shade the OMR? Shade OMR only with pencil. Don't use pen when you are shading OMR. Use only pencil. Then can we write roll number in the booklets? First page you can write roll number. First page in the booklet they will be providing, they will be asking you to write the roll number, subject name, roll number and all. In that you can write, but after that you should never write roll number anywhere in the booklet. Even in the additional sheet you should not write the roll number. Make sure that. Okay, then how attendance will be marked? There will be circulating one barcode sheet with attendance. So you have to sign in the barcode sheet. Okay, and you have to take out the barcode sticker and you have to stick it affixed in the answer booklet. So the sign which you are putting there, it is taken as attendance, and the barcode which you have sticked in the booklet, it will be helpful for dummy roll number generation. So they will use this dummy roll number so that no one can track where the answer paper of yours is, means like who is correcting the answer paper. So no one will be knowing your exact name. Even the examiner will not be knowing your exact roll number. Any additional time for completion of the paper? No additional time. So accounts 3 hours, law BCR 3 hours, that is 2 descriptive paper 3 hours, 2 MCQ based paper only, they will be given only 2 hours. Is there any particular manner to write law BCR answers? See, either you can take BCR first, complete it, then you can take law, or you can take law first, complete it, then you can take BCR. That's up to you. There is no particular order. But complete one and take the next, because it will be in the same booklet. There will not be separate booklets. Okay. Which type of calculator I can use? You can use this kind of calculator up to 12 digits with normal addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, cancel, check, M plus, M minus, MRC, GT, correction. So these are the additional keys they will have, but not a scientific calculator. Admit card, how to print? There are 9 pages of admit card. Print only the first 2 pages, even front and back no issue. Black and white or color no issue. If you make sure your photograph is there in that, if not, affix the photograph, get it signed from a chartered accountant. The admit card should be signed. Take 2 printouts. What are the stationeries to be carried for the examination? Pen, pencil, eraser, sharpener, one big scale, one small scale, stapler with pen, stapler with pins, bag, handkerchief, umbrella, raincoat, watch, admit card, some amount of money, mobile phone to be switched off, ICI book for the last minute revision. Additional precautions: take mask, hand sanitizers, gloves if it's necessary. Make social distance if you are traveling in the public transport. Trial run at least a week before the main examination. Okay, just go to your examination center. Make sure the timing is proper. Like for example, 1:30 you should enter the examination center at least. So at what time you should start from your house? Use the same transport what you are going to use for the examination. So try to write mock test scenario, means like daily in house, the 2 to 4, 2 to 5 you have to write mock test and see, because you should not sleep in the daytime. All those things you should make sure. Okay, hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any doubts, you can WhatsApp me with your, first you should tell your name, then you should tell where you are from, area. Then you can WhatsApp me. I am taking CA foundation classes for Tamil Nadu based students or students who know Tamil, because my foundation classes will be Tamil and English, but inter and final use be in English only. So thank you so much for watching this video. All the best.